Page 111, Accounting Vocabulary. Financial statement. The complete financial statements. Statements of the financial position. Statements of comprehensive income. Statement of changes in shareholders' equity. Cash flows. Notes to financial statements. Income statement or profit and loss statement. Single step. Multiple step. Revenues. Revenues from sales or revenues from services. Other incomes. Expenses. Other expenses. Profit, loss before expenses. Current assets. Cash and cash equivalents. Temporary investments. Changes in inventories of finished goods and work in process. Work performed by the entity and capitalized. Raw materials and consumables used. Employee benefit expenses. Depreciation and amortization expenses. Impairment of asset. Profit loss before finance cost and income tax expenses. Finance costs. Profit loss before income tax expenses. Income tax expenses. Net profit loss. Cost of sales or cost of services. Selling expenses. Administrative expenses. Gross loss profit. Total expenses. Other non-current assets. Current liabilities. Bank overdrafts and short-term loans from financial institutions. Page 112. Trade accounts receivable net. Short-term loans to related parties. Short-term loans to others. Inventories. Other current assets. Non-current assets. Investment in associates, subsidiaries, joint ventures. Long-term investments to others. Long-term loans to related parties. Legal reserve. Property, plant, and equipment net. Intangible assets net. Unappropriated retained earnings. Share capital. Preferred stocks or preferred share. Paid up share capital. Additional paid-in capital. Premium on preferred stocks or premium on preferred share. Premium on common stocks or premium on ordinary share. Unappropriated. Trade accounts payable. Current portion of long-term loans. Short-term loans from related parties. Short-term loans from other. Short-term provisions. Other current liabilities. Non-current liabilities. Long-term loans from others. Long-term provisions. Long-term loans to others. Other non-current liabilities. Partners' equity. Shareholders' equity. Authorized share capital. Common stocks or ordinary share. Unrealized gain, loss. Translation of financial statement differences. Retained earnings. Appropriated.